When you first log into MyOpenMath after getting your instructor account set up, you won't see anything listed under courses you're teaching, unless maybe it puts a demo course or something there in its place. That means we need to start looking at adding new courses so we can start building our first set of assessments for a new course. To do that, we'll add a new course, and then we'll be given 3 different options. To start with a blank course, meaning a completely empty course shell. We're going to build everything from scratch or pull in all the questions that other instructors have already written. We can copy a template or promoted course. So there are pre-built courses in MyOpenMath which may match up with the outcomes and goals that you want to cover in your class. Or you can copy from a colleague's course. There's a lot embedded into those 3 different options, so in some separate videos we're going to explore those. But before we do that, I just want to head back to this screen to point out a few things. As you do start creating more courses, the list of courses you're teaching is going to start to grow. Eventually you'll want to clean that up, and from the little gear icon, you can hide courses from this list. And then you can also view hidden courses. I have a lot of courses that I've either used in past semesters or they're demo classes where I was building and experimenting with MyOpenMath. So hide those to get them out of the way, but you can always restore them if you need to use them again. MyOpenMath does go through and clean up old courses. I think it's, actually I can check right here. Right now it's 2025, and it is cleaning up a course from fall 23. So old courses will get deleted in order for the system to save data. And the other thing that I want to point out to you are a couple of resources in this courses you're taking section, a support course and a training course. If the materials that I've put together here don't answer all your questions, obviously feel free to come and talk to me, but also these are great resources. I have used this support course quite a bit, and here there are discussion boards. For instance, if we go to the general comments and discussion, no, I'm sorry, that's not where I wanted to go. I have often used the how do I discussion to ask questions about how I do something in MyOpenMath. Those questions have come up as I've gotten more into building questions from scratch, but also trying to better understand some of the assessment settings that we'll get into later. But it's a good idea to search through these if you run through questions. The folks who created and operate MyOpenMath are very responsive. I usually get replies very quickly, I think maybe at most within a day or two, but often the same day. And they've been very thorough at either helping me fix something, explaining how something works, or just kind of clearly letting me know some idea that I had doesn't work within the system. So it's a great resource. Lots of places you can look for help.